and gentlemen, we have just landed at Tuguegarao Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Tuguegarao. Nakalapag po lang natin sa paliparan ng Tuguegarao. Maligayang pagdating sa Tuguegarao. On behalf of Air Flight Deck crew headed by Captain Fernandez, together with First Officer Villegas, Main Flight Cabin Crew Marge, Richie, and Pang, this is Gary would like to thank you for flying with Cebu Pacific Air. May you have a pleasant stay in Tuguegarao wherever onward destination may be. Muli po maraming salamat sa pagpili at pagsakay sa Cebu Pacific Air. Magandang hapon.
For safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fastened seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have dislodged or shifted during the aircraft movement. Once again, cell phones must not be used for whatever purpose while inside the aircraft. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan.